I mean, talk about how far this program's come from 4 years ago, where you got 19 kids on the field to, you know, and in theory, it wasn't even 19 kids,
right.
19 bodies and whoever was healthy that week.
Right.
You know, to Valley Championship and a SoCal Bowl.
Yeah, it's incredible. I feel so happy for those seniors that went through that last year. You know, they're responsible for turning the program around, and you know, without their toughness, we wouldn't have been able to get this done.
You know, tight ball game, kind of probably what you expected. It felt like there was a number of times you guys were on the cusp of breaking it open and just couldn't get it there.
Yeah.
You know, talk about kind of the resiliency of having those opportunities and still being able to fight and find the way to finish it off.
Yeah, you know, we talked about it before, overcoming adversity. We'd break a few and then we couldn't finish the drive, and you know, we gave one up early in the second half over the top that kind of got them back in the game, but the kids just kept fighting, you know, and I'm just the difference between the first time we played them and this time was their resiliency and being able to overcome that adversity. So.
Yeah, they got the score the first drive of the second half, but you know, the defense obviously clamped down after that, and you know, their quarterback was under duress for most of the game. Was that kind of the plan to bring heat all day?
Absolutely. They had some tendencies that we felt like we could exploit a little bit, but you know, I just got to give credit to those guys up front and our flex linebackers, Danny Chavez and Ronnie Reyes and Gary Newcope and our defensive ends, Joseph Fafiti and Gabe Sanchez and Alfredo Benrostro. They just got after them all night, you know, and it really took its effect, I think, throughout, especially the second half and especially those last two drives for them. So.
Their final drive, I mean, you guys had been pretty clean, not too many mistakes all night, and then one guy slips behind and you know, has a chance. How much did everybody kind of hold their breath as that ball is in the air? Yeah,
there's a reason why I have no hair. Yeah, it's you know, it's just sometimes you need some luck, and we got that, so it was good.
All right, congrats to you.
Thank you very much.